not show our face or nothing.
Oh, yeah, you might have to pull the stand down.
So if you Manic. Just cover your mouth and then go back in. Where's Mike?
What?
What is this mess? Oh my god.
You can drink, oh, is that everything? Because once I sit down, I'm sitting down. You know you gotta let me in first.
Huh? Oh yeah. Sorry. So, just spilled a little bit of water on me, but that's fine. A little bit, right? So, if you, or you, please just cover your mouth and then go back in your
Oh, I know what I'm forgetting.
What?
Paper towels. Look at it, I get them paper towels. Woo, come on, Billy. Oh. Are we recording? Can you straighten the camera? I wanted to get a close-up. That's good. Now straighten the camera. You didn't move the,
What you mean?
straighten it. It's crooked.
What?
Not the stand, the phone, the camera.
Oh, you mean like that?
That'll work. Yeah. I'm so hot. We got the washer running. I can't turn the washer off right now, so I'm gonna have to do it with it running. Made some cheese sauce.
Oh yeah, I have my toppings, guys. They're right over here with me. Those are mine. Okay, unless you want some. So if you just cover your mouth, back in your head.
Made some butter sauce. It's really not. Oh, I think I showed. It's really not to not like. I mean, it's good, but I wish it could have tasted a little better. I was gonna pour this all out on the pan, but child, it's so juicy and good, gooey and buttery.
Gooey.
The phone is still crooked. I'm like, let me fix it. Get up.
So if So if you
All right.
please just cover your mouth, no matter how ever go out
Oh. Okay. We gotta lift it up some. Can you lift it up without twisting it? Okay, good. Okay, lift it up a little bit more. What? That's good if we can get it like, keep it like that.
Your fault.
Money come on, we don't have enough time. Oh, y'all. I also made a salad.
Man, I can't hold it this long. I have to tell you something, Mom.
We on camera?
We
on candid camera.
I was pranking you with acting. I was trying to prank you with that acting dumb, but that
Acting dumb? What you mean?
like not listening, like doing the opposite. Cause you know I bring the napkins over here and didn't take the wrapper, the thing off.
Why you didn't go along with your prank?
I don't know. You look like you was getting frustrated.
I know I think it's irritating. Especially in these days and times when, shoot, I ain't got no patience.
So oh, you just gonna make
You want salad? I know you did it. So in our salad we have lettuce, tomato, cucumbers, cheese,
Takis.
cheese, I didn't bring that big spoon. Lemon pepper seasoning. Did I say lettuce, tomato, croutons, cheese, cucumbers, and lemon pepper seasoning. And some good old buttermilk ranch dressing, which y'all know about it.
Butter.
Okay, money. I forgot, you don't have to scoot over here. You don't have to move them chips. Only thing I forgot was some mustard. A spoon. Hot. Why didn't you say grace? That's what I did. I forgot the spoon on it. You can get that big black spoon. I think I put it only thing we got in here, the one I was already using. There's no dishes now. Only thing we got in here is some snow crabs, 2 claws, because we couldn't, that's all we could find in Walmart. A bunch of shrimp, some mussels. I did some boiled eggs, and I think that's it. Is that it? Mussel, shrimp, snow crab. I think that's it. But I've been wanting some seafood for so long. Let's say grace.
Our Father, God is gracious, God is good. Let us thank you for this food we eat, food we share. Thank you, God, for loving here. Just make thank you and
Amen. Thank you, Lord.
I just flattered myself in the face of water.
I think I'll just pour some of this on the pan. So it was hot. Okay, it just got done. I was trying to steam it. I ended up putting too much water in here, but it's still gonna be the bomb. Huh? It's still gonna be the bomb beef.
Anything I eat, I put a taki on it. Got the taki. It's always busted.
Ooh, it's hot too.
Give me curry. Give me some meat. Give me some meat. Taki's busted.
When we hungry, y'all, we done ate since we made home. So
That was just like 3:30.
I want to let it cool off from 3:30 now.
Yeah, I know.
About 5. Well, we made it home at about 7, after 7. Got off work at 5 and went to Walmart. I guess we spent an hour and a half in Walmart. I'm like, dang. But I was taking my time in there and doing it right.
It came out so perfectly.
That's how you know it's cooked good. We got butter sauce and cheese sauce.
Butter?
Ranch over here. Some people serve in ranch. Where's your phone?
On the top?
Why you leave it on the couch?
You want me to go get it?
Well, you know we're going to do some trivia questions or something. Right, Claire? Oh, this salad would have been so good with some onions diced up, sliced up in it. You want to scoot up to the table, boo. I made me some juice. I didn't make the money now, but I gave her some water.
You ain't got to brag about it.
Every time I make her some juice, she'll never drink it out. You can have some mine though.
Okay.
Oh, that's good. I'm looking at the jar like it's some came out of this jar. This is V8.
You said it was good, so let me try it.
This is V8.
Which one is this?
That's the watermelon. What was it? Watermelon and what else?
Watermelon and cherry.
Watermelon and cherry, I guess. I know it was watermelon and something, but it's the bomb. Watch out them now. Don't get too full off of juice, money. Yeah, I'm so hungry. I'm about to be so full when we get done.
Oh, that's good. So if you
Boy, we ain't got no sausages or no potatoes. I'm mad about it too.
this salad is the bomb, bro. It's like this too.
Man, if I drop one more thing, I'm so freaking
Let
mad.
me see.
Everything I touch, I drop. It's called pregnancy clumsiness.
Mommy.
Girl, I'm about to watch this.
It turned into a
What you mean?
You first was like
I dropped my fork.
you dropped the fork, you was like
Yeah, I know with these crab legs, you gotta have some room, so. Oh Lord, I'm excited about this. I'm so mad that they didn't really have. This is all the snow crab they had. Why mine didn't come out like yours? There we go.
because you're not doing it right. You want me to teach you?
How you gonna teach me and I taught you?
So please just come
Let's try some of this shrimp.
No back in the house. No just ever come out. Mix up.
That sauce is actually good on this
She just
on this seafood. I didn't like it by itself, but it's good. On the seafood, it got a little zing to it, a little zing, a little twang.
you think Bamba.
Just a little bit. Nah, I actually got a lot. Every time I make some sauce, I just do what my auntie told me to do. Be love. And I just mix a bunch of stuff together because she said that's how she came up with her recipe. We got a section off the spot for all of the used.
I can't get it out.
But you gotta put them fingers to work. What you talking about?
My fingers are too big for that part. Talk about the other part.
What other
Oh,
part?
this is the meat. Oh, look how she got it.
So in the sauce, let me see if I can remember what all I put in here.
Ooh.
I use some unsalted sweet green butter,
Butter,
chicken broth,
chicken broth,
lemon juice, and for seasonings I use some smoked smoked salt.
I wanted to get one of those.
Thanks to
It was only 2 of them, Mommy? Okay.
2 of what?
Let's see.
Some smoked salt. And smoked salt is so good. Thanks to Aquila Seasonings. That is they bomb.
She couldn't even get her
I didn't advertise them before. I'm gonna have to show it again on camera. So
Well,
y'all
y'all
know order
posted
y'all
that
some.
part.
What is it? You ate the shell? I know. You gotta get the meat, girl. Did you eat the shell for real?
Yeah. I beat it. I don't know. Well, I don't know if I'm not eating it again.
You gotta get the meat out of there. They good too. Okay, so as far as dry seasonings, I use onion powder, garlic powder, lemon pepper, smoked. I keep wanting to say it's I know it's smoked salt. It's the bomb too. I'm gonna have to get it out the cabinet.
Have y'all watched Encanto? Man, that never stop. Well,
Hey, why you keep interrupting me? I'm trying to explain what I like, and you keep making me lose focus. You gotta remember what you're going to say after the other person finished talking.
but I can't do that because
Ooh, it was so good.
I'm gonna try to dip it in the
Now you done made me forget. I use seasoning salt. I use some dried dill, some dried red onion, I'm just throwing some stuff in there that I thought was gonna taste good. No, I didn't use the smoked salt. Scratch that. I used I used her smoked dried onion, and I used some dried red onion bomb. Yes, I didn't use the salt, but my salt almost gone. I gotta order me some more. Even though I said.
Sometimes she be making her own salt.
Who, me? No, but Akila does. Where I order it from.
That's where you got it
You
from?
remember Akila?
Then where did you watch it?
No, our cousin Akila.
What you say?
Remember when we went for Mother's Day and we played cornhole? Me, you, Aunt Dem, Akila, and CJ?
Oh yeah.
Corn toss, whatever you call it.
It was put the pony on the tail. I mean, put the tail on the pony.
No.
Well, we played put the tail on the pony. I remember that.
Who played that?
Me, you, and 4 girls.
I don't remember playing that. Putting the tail on the donkey. I don't remember playing that. At the Mother's Day event, I don't know what event you're talking about.
The Mother's event.
The Mother's Day was a little while ago. Was it Mother's Day last year? Or the year before that? I think it was last year. Come on up out of there, meat. Stop playing with me. That washer need to hurry and go. I don't know why every time I get ready to do a video, I start my washer and I can't stop it, but I don't want to. But the washer locks, so I can't pause it.
What? Put some more sugar on me. Thank you.
So I can't pause it. That shrimp is pretty good, huh? I told you to section your, well, this is what you do.
What?
I was say section your, I'm talking about you, and I just mixed mine up. Section your shells off with your, from your other food.
I am. See? See you chicken house. Oh, this is hot on my finger.
This might be the best seafood boil I done did in a while. I can't think of what others. I think that's all the seasonings I used, y'all. I should have wrote it down. I said I was going to remember it, but anyways, now, what you want to talk about?
Okay. So, let's just go to my school. Her name is, I can't tell you. So we were doing math, right? We were doing math. She left.
What was y'all doing in math?
She was left. Huh?
What What kind of math were y'all doing?
We were doing some division and some multiplication
Okay.
and times tables and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, so she let a big. She was laughing about it. Everybody was disgusted. It's disgusting. She let a big poo out
In the middle of class?
in the middle of class. The teacher was talking everything. Everybody looked back at her.
Who was it?
I can say her name. Lily.
Lily. Was it stinking? Did she sit by you?
No, she didn't sit by me. She sits across the room from me.
Dang, and you still smelled it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Because I was in
Lily.
the back and then I had my mask down because Miss Wilkinson said I could get a mask break.
What is a mask break?
Like when nobody's around you and you can go in the back of the room and take off your mask so you can breathe or something like
Oh,
that.
that's a good idea. I'm glad she do that with y'all. It's actually a pretty good idea.
Yeah. So, guess what Miss Wilkinson said?
What?
Miss Wilkinson sent her out the room saying, go use the restroom.
I know that's right, Miss Wilkinson. Did you get all your meat out of your shells? I am so freaking sore. I'm so ready for this pregnancy to be over. Oh, why she finally went off? I don't know why. I'm sore every day. No lie, every day.
Can I give me some more salad?
You better eat them tomatoes and stuff, girl.
I am.
You said you like tomatoes.
Because
Now,
I do.
I need some more croutons.
I just need some more onion. Woo!
Let's put your chair up.
Okay. Get up. Can you have the ranch?
You want me to pour it?
Yes.
You come out pretty fast.
Man, salad is so good to me.
Dang, that juice is good. Did we say grace? I'm eating this food so good. I feel like we didn't even say grace.
We did.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this big piece of lettuce.
I love it. I love me some lettuce.
Oh, this tomato, the onion.
I can't stop dancing. That's what I'm talking about. Turn it up. Where's your paper towel?
Can I get another soup?
Hmm?
Can I get another soup?
Another what?
Soup.
Sip. That's to wipe your mouth with. I broke it in half. Don't drop that. Baby, I'm not trying to get full. No, sir, no, sir. But I know the baby been moving around all day. Literally all day. She
Did we
been,
reveal the gender reveal on YouTube in
Active.
the last video?
huh?
Did we
I don't know if we did a gender reveal on YouTube, but
go check out my mama?
we did a
What was
belly
it?
reveal.
Oh yeah. I don't know if mama want to tell y'all
What?
if the baby's a girl or boy.
I think we probably already said it. I can't remember though.
I know we kept saying she. That's probably why they know.
Mm-hmm. It's a girl. Another baby girl. So we're going to be the 3 divas, baby.
Drama queens.
Drama queen over there. This girl be getting mad and upset and throwing fits when she can't when she can't fix something or she can't get something right.
No, it was the other day. The wall had hit my back. Like, I guess I had ran into the wall, hit my back. So I got mad, and I was like, Then I just start punching the wall. Mom was like, "Girl, are you okay?"
I can't even talk because sometimes I get mad like that too, but not very often.
That happens to me like every day. Cause at school today, I tripped over my chair. I started beating up the chair. Miss Wilkinson said, "Are you okay?" I said, "Yeah."
You know, try another muffin. They good. Get a little juice in there. Mm-hmm.
No, y'all know the things like when y'all first buy a shirt or something or some pants, and it's that tag right there, but they got the thing hanging on under the.
Baby, this stuff is cooked perfectly.
Why is you interrupting?
Sorry.
Mama said.
Is that an octopus? What is that? I don't know, baby.
Y'all, I think they put an octopus in here. Look. Oh, go to. Okay, Mama, can you go like put your hand like this when I show it? Man, I think it's an octopus. Oh my god.
You getting full or what?
Yeah, but can I get a muffin? Can you show them my muffins? Show them my muffins.
You eating a seafood boil, salad, hot Cheetos, and now you want muffin?
Mm-hmm. Please?
No, you can't. Not right now, baby. Later. What time is it?
You know later you're going to be like, no, it's too late. You can't eat that now.
If it's not too late. If it do get too late, hey, I don't even know what time it is. If it do get too late, you can just have one for breakfast.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You always do that.
Okay.
Tell me to eat it.
You want to ask me some trivia questions or you want me to ask you?
I'm next to you. I'm next to you.
Okay, pull some up on your phone. But I'm getting full, y'all. Give me your croutons because I know you didn't eat them. You don't like the croutons?
I do, but my tooth, you know the tooth I lost?
Mm-hmm.
Like when I chew, the crouton goes to the other side, it goes up my tooth, and it hurts.
Mm-hmm. You need to eat your cucumbers and your tomatoes. They're the bomb in that ranch.
I am. Okay, what it was?
Because he's not full.
Trivia questions. Oh, you want me to do SpongeBob trivia questions?
You can. I don't know if I know them like that, but
You can ask me SpongeBob questions.
Dang it.
What happened?
Oh, wait a second. How many minutes we been recording?
Ask me. Can I get a sip?
Mm-hmm. Set it over there. Oh, I'm full, y'all. Alright, first SpongeBob trivia question goes to Amani. We're going to see how many you get right. Dang it. Where? I could have did this too because I love me some SpongeBob.
We can both ask each other.
Where does SpongeBob work?
Krusty Krab.
Mm-hmm. I'm trying to finish chewing. Where does Mr. Krabs, what is Mr. Krabs' life goal?
To make all the money.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Krabs loves him some change and money.
That man like any kind of money. Pennies, quarters, nickels, dimes.
He don't even care if it's Russian money. He'll take it.
You don't care if this is child's money.
When I tell you, if you look at the sign, if you pause the episode and look at the sign, it says Krusty Krab burger for $180. And all them people be going to
$180 or $1.80?
$180. It didn't have no dot on it.
I know they ain't paying $180 for.
It said 180.9.
Which student has been enrolled in Mrs. Puff's boarding school since it was founded, but never passed a single test?
SpongeBob.
Yep. Who runs the boarding school that SpongeBob attends? They just told the answer to that.
Mrs. Puff.
Mm-hmm.
They should have put that one like after a couple questions.
What instrument does Squidward play?
That thing where you blow into it and you have to hold and you go like this.
You don't know what it's called?
No.
Clarinet.
Yeah.
Money says she got all her meat out this time. I know that's right. Okay.
Trying to go through my shell.
I always do. Who is the Chum Bucket's owner?
Chum Bucket? I thought you said Krusty Krab. Plankton. Tiny Cell.
Mm-hmm. Plankton. What is